What does it mean to be a chill guy? Chill guy is the guy who doesn't overreact. He's aware, but not over-emotional. He doesn't sweat the big stuff or the small stuff. He's chill. He's cool. He's even keel. Or is he? Maybe you've seen this character as an internet meme over the course of the last week and thought to yourself, what the is going on? Let me relax. Let me be a chill guy. Let me be a chill guy. And you asked, what could possibly be going on? Today, let's uncover what the chill guy meme is about, explain how it's impacting both fashion and culture, and then we'll get into the dark side of chill guy. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Drew. What it do? It's nice to meet you. Let's talk about chill guy. Philip Banks created chill guy, an anthropomorphic dog with a gray sweater, cuffed blue jeans, and red sneakers on October 4th, 2023. Most people don't know this, but chill guy has actually been chilling for over more than a year, and he has just started to gain notoriety and popularity. The artist behind the meme is actually pretty good. I would describe his style as if Adult Swim and Nintendo collaborated and made cartoons. He often reinterprets pop fiction or popular characters within different TV shows and reinterprets them to feel a bit more comedic in an adult way. But then there's chill guy. And I think that the way Philip Banks decided to illustrate chill guy has helped tremendously over the course of the last year make this character into a meme. The lines are cleaner, the details are simple, and it reminds me of a character that would be in a show like Arthur or something like that. It kind of actually reminds me of Arthur. Wait, is chill guy, is he chill with Arthur? Like that literally looks like his cousin, something like that. It's hard to know exactly what pushed the meme to meme status, but I think it's pretty clear to me that TikTok is the driving force behind the moment. Which, can we all just take a step back and acknowledge how influential TikTok is on culture? It's unbelievable. The chill guy video on TikTok and on other short form media platforms has a few varying structures. There are the videos with text overlay that explain a scenario that would typically be upsetting or bothersome, but, huge but there, because he is a chill guy, it doesn't bother him or he doesn't let it bother him. That's the whole idea about chill guy. Something bad might be happening. Your girl could be cheating on you, but it doesn't matter. He's a chill guy. And then there are the outfits that are imitating chill guy. I'm trying my best right now with a kind of like grayish sweater that I have that I'm wearing right now. But a lot of outfits are memeing and kind of like using chill guy as the formula for creating that chill guy, that cool, calm, and collected look. What's crazy is the lengths that chill guy has reached to. You know, you have people like Amad Diallo, the Manchester United football player, talking about being a chill guy, and then there being a chill guy outfit that references his outfit and the cartoon's outfit. The meme is popping off in all different types of directions. I've seen 3D versions of 3D animations of chill guy being made. There are chill guy GIFs being produced. There's voiceover with chill guy as the character being voiced over.
I know I'm supposed to be a chill guy and low-key not really care about anything.
I think the voice they use is probably some kind of AI voice with like, it sounds like Brian from Family Guy, something like that. But it's unbelievable just to see like how much culture and content and conversation chill guy has produced. And you can't have chill guy without chill girl. I mean, they're making so many different versions of chill guy that by the beginning of next year, which we're already there, like there's probably gonna be a whole cast of chill guys and girls and all different types of people. And I want you to imagine being Philip Banks right now. A year ago, you decided to illustrate this character, and a year later, it's now one of the most talked about things in the world right now. If I'm Philip Brooks, like how great does it feel to be the creator of chill guy right now? It's one of the coolest. You're a part of something that like, you've created one of the biggest conversation starters in the entire year based off of your drawing. Really cool. Well, it's cool until institutions and businesses, companies, conglomerates, whatever you want to call them, they start to exploit chill guy and Philip Banks. POV, you're Philip Banks, and one day you're drawing and you create a character, you call him chill guy. People start memeing him, it's all fun and games, life is good, until someone decides without your permission to use your art as cryptocurrency. And the value of that cryptocurrency is rising, and people are making perceived money on this meme currency that you don't own, endorse, or want to be a part of. This is where we start to get into the dark side of Chill Guy, the exploitative nature of big business and how people are taking advantage of Philip Banks' creation. According to CoinGecko data, the Chill Guy meme coin grew by almost 7,000% within the last 7 days. 7,000%. Some of the largest organizations in the world are using and profiting from this Chill Guy illustration, while Philip Banks isn't earning a dime from their use of the character, at least as far as we can see. And when I say profit, I'm not just referring to monetary gain in this instance. Businesses are always attempting to improve their relevance and relatability within certain demographics. The interesting thing about the internet and intellectual property, most people don't view memes created on the internet as protected under intellectual property rights. They don't view them as belonging to an individual. If it's on the internet, most people think of it as, oh, it's an open source, it's a for the public domain type of thing. But when someone creates art, that's just not the case. And I think one of the biggest challenges of being an artist in 2024, heading into 2025, is the fact that people will always see the internet as a place where everything belongs to everyone, right? Like, I create these YouTube videos, I put them on YouTube, and I feel like I made the videos, I own them, but I don't actually own the space that the videos exist on. You get what I'm saying? So like, there's this kind of weird co-collaboration between creatives, artists, designers, audience members, and people, especially with meme culture, and people who feel as though they have rights to own or use or take advantage of anything that's on the internet. They can use it to whatever degree that they feel like it can be used. That's just not the case though. And it's unfortunate in this instance. I mean, I don't know, Philip Banks' financial situation, but if people are increasing cryptocurrency stocks or coins 7,000%, I mean, that's a huge gain. Even if we're talking about 0.005 cents to 1 cent, I mean, it's just unbelievable the amount of gain. So I think Philip Banks should, in a lot of ways, reap the benefits of his own creation in that respect. I know something of a similar vein took place with Pepe the Frog, where the frog was misinterpreted in different groups and it lost its original meaning to the artist who created it. But ultimately, no company, business, or organization should profit off of Philip Banks' Chill Guy and Philip Banks not receive some level of earnings from the work he did to create this character. And it's sad. It's unfortunate that some people are taking advantage of the situation because the internet is so fickle like it is. But what's interesting is that Philip Banks is prepared to fight back, it seems like. He's issued a couple of statements on Twitter saying that, or X, excuse me, saying that if need be, he will seek legal action against the cryptocurrency companies that are using his character as a coin that he did not sign off for. I know there's an instance where there's a video game company that used Chill Guy as one of the characters in the video game company, and Philip Banks asked, can I get the console of the video game company? Because he doesn't have the console, and they used his drawing to help boost their cultural cachet online. It's very interesting in that way. It's tough to say whether or not Philip Banks will win in these situations because there's so much momentum that's already been created, and culture, it moves so quickly. People post something, and as we've already seen, like, there are probably thousands, hundreds of thousands, if not closing in on millions of posts about and with Chill Guy, this one included. But what I do know is that Philip Banks and Chill Guy can't really be chill about this situation, right? Because it's something where if they are, they might not get what's duly owed to them. And that ain't chill, guy. Okay, there's a lot of angles that I could dissect this Chill Guy moment, but I'm gonna look at it from 2 points of views. We're gonna talk about the male mindset side of things as well as the fashion side of things, because I'm a fashion creator, if you don't know. Let's start with the mindset aspect, because I think it directly ties into the personal style of individuals who are dressing like Chill Guy. The Chill Guy mindset is that of nonchalant coolness. Chill Guy doesn't run to the door when someone knocks. He walks over calmly, opens the door, and says what's up. Chill guy might make his girl mad from time to time with his jokes, but he doesn't let it become a big argument. He stays even keel, he stays calm. I feel like a lot of dudes resonate with chill guy beyond the meme level of things because a lot of dudes just want less stress and less pressure in their life, and they kind of see themselves as a chill guy in certain situations where there might be chaos happening around them, but there's a desire to be calm and chill. I feel like a lot of dudes resonate with chill guy because they are dudes who are looking for less stress and less drama in their lives. I also recognize that chill guy, the meme is just funny. It doesn't need to be that deep. I'm for one someone who likes to analyze things and why people like things and try to like understand it like in a really like meaningful kind of way, try to put meaning to it. But I think ultimately it's hilarious, and I think people are just having a good time with it as well, especially on social media. The chill guy mindset kind of reminds me of a relatively niche thing that was going on in TikTok in 2023 and 2024 a little bit, which was there was this anime called Vinland Saga, and someone took a snippet of a clip of that anime and made it into an audio on TikTok, and the entire idea was that you have no enemies. You have no enemies. There was like a meme going on that was like, you have no enemies. And it was these videos that were being made where something bad would happen to an individual or to a person, and then there would be kind of like a mentor or there would be a moment where someone will walk up to them and say like, you know, you have no enemies, don't let this person get to you. Kind of like this like stoic mindset thing going on. I feel like chill guy, stoicism, and like the current state of like not allowing too much to like get to you emotionally as a man is something that's a very popular idea right now, especially for a lot of guys. And I think chill guy is just another representation of this overarching mindset of, you know, don't let the outside world, don't let things that are outside of your control perturb you. Allow yourself to recognize that bad things may happen, but it doesn't mean that you have to react to them in a way that creates chaos or creates frustration or anger for yourself. Might be a stretch. Some people might be like, Drew, what? That's a big step to take, but I don't know, I feel that and I see that, and that's kind of why I wanted to make this video. If you kind of understand that mindset, then you can kind of understand the fashion side of things and why people are dressing like chill guy, beyond the fact that it's a funny meme and people are getting a lot of clicks on it. As someone who creates fashion content, I would say the vast majority of dudes, at least in the US, really don't take fashion or their style as something that they view as like super important, and duly so. Like, people have jobs, they have friends, they have families, they have other things to worry about, they have bills, there's a lot of things that people could worry about, their schoolwork, whatever it is. And then there's the financial side of fashion, right? So like a lot of dudes, they simply want to dress chill. They are a chill guy in the sense that they don't want to put on clothes, that they just want to wear things that represent them from a personality standpoint very simply, and then they want their character to shine through. They want their humor to shine through. They want the things about them that aren't related to what they wear to be what's most important to how they display their identity in the world. Chill guys are guys who look good but aren't trying to show out. They're the dudes who have a calm fit on, and that's okay because they're chill. Chill guy, the character, has style, and his chill nature is exemplified through his wardrobe. Now, I don't think the outfits from chill guy will dictate popular culture, but right now it's definitely having a moment. And if you're an internet personality, or if you're someone who strives to make content online, making an outfit with chill guy right now, I'm seeing a bunch of videos that are just popping off with dudes who are making their own version of chill guy fits, and even women who are wearing and saying, oh damn, I'm wearing a chill guy outfit right now. I saw that on TikTok actually. So it's just something where the entire sphere of culture is being touched. I wouldn't be surprised if music comes out from chill guy at some point. Maybe he'll star in a feature film or a TV show, or maybe be in a play or something like that. There will be many spin-offs of chill guy coming in the coming weeks. At least that's what I think. What do you think? How far will the chill guy meme go? It's late 2024. I think it'll at least make it to 2025. If not, maybe it could creep into 2026. That would be crazy if the meme made it that far. But I'd be curious to know what you think down in the comments. If I missed anything about the chill guy story, Philip Banks, the crypto scandal, or any other dark or light side of chill guy, please educate me and educate the community on this topic because it's really, really fascinating to me right now. And as always, I'm spreading peace, love, and positivity in 2024. So that means I'm spreading peace, love, and positivity to you and more. Wherever you are in the world, have a wonderful rest of your day. Abianto. Peace. Yo, what is good post vid? Here are the fist bumps for the one time. Bop. Thank you for staying to the end of the video. Here's the second fist bump. Bop. Appreciate you guys so much. I'm curious to know if you're a PVV and you watched the entire video and this is your first time seeing Chill Guy, what do you think about this entire meme? Is it like, Drew, what are we talking about here? Or have you seen him before? If you have seen him before, let me know down in the comments. Hashtag PVV when you answer. Where did you first see Chill Guy? Was it on a post about what? Was it a post about dating? Was it a fashion post? Was it a meme that you saw someone use it in? Was it a GIF? Let me know down in the comments. Hashtag PVV when you answer. Thank you so much for watching and stay to the end of the video. We'll see you guys very soon. Hope you had a good holiday, Thanksgiving, all that. Actually, yeah, let me take a moment for a second. I'm so thankful for all of you guys. I didn't really get a chance to say thank you. I was very busy with my family. All the people who supported the channel over the years, I really, really appreciate you, and happy holidays. We'll see you guys in next week's video. Peace.